Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp app QR scan code. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started guys. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. Here you can see I have opened up my application on my device. Now you can see tap on three dots, and now you can see settings. Tap right here on the settings. Tap on the QR code icon displayed next to your name right there. Tap right here, and here you can see the share icon. Tap right here on the share and select wherever you want to send your QR code. And if you want to add a contact using a QR code, hold your device over and QR code to scan and tap to add contacts. From there you can send my code, and you can see scan option, so you can also scan something from there. So this is how you can easily use WhatsApp app QR code. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.